Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and it does look like, if you look at last week, big down, big up, big rejection up here, and we've kind of broken through this trend line here. So my view here is we are probably looking at dollar strength settling in now. So this gap here was closed on Friday, but there's a little gap open at the moment. So I'd be looking at 109.514 and also pay attention to this area here at 109.651. So that's kind of the zone that I'd be looking for a rejection, for another move down. And you're going to be looking for this area here, which is 109.179. So don't want to be jumping in short here. I want to wait for price to get back up here, reject there, and then we're looking for the shorts. Moving across to US dollar Japanese yen, and we finished off with a bit of a rejection up here, and that was to be expected. This would be an ideal buying area, which is 143.891, but where we are now, it's a little bit shaky, and you can see we've already started we started the day off with a rejection to the upside, rejection to the downside. So this one, I think I'd rather wait for better structure before we start jumping in on this. You can see we had a good separation of the oscillators on Friday, but never really got going, and then we've started the day off with confusion to the upside and confusion to the downside. So I think I'd rather leave that. If we do get down to 143.891, then I'd be looking at opportunities for a buy there. Moving across to pound, British pound, Japanese yen, pretty much the same picture. If you look left, we've got a very strong area of resistance here. We basically rejected it, but I still believe 183.257 is the opportunity that we need to wait for. So we're looking for a price to test this area properly as 183.257. If we can get inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars on this level, I would expect a move back to close the gap, and looking for 184048. So that's another buying opportunity that we have there. Moving across to Euro British Pound, and big up, big down. We're in no man's land as far as I'm concerned. You can see we're not paying attention to any clear level at the moment, and I'm just going to put this one in here. You can see there's two tails right up there, and there's another pin bar there. So that there is the level I think we need to pay attention to, 086131. So if we drop down to the hour, you can see that's probably a take profit area, and I'm just going to use this one here, and this is my rejection area here. So that would be 086405, maybe even a little bit less. Maybe pay attention to this bit of structure here at 086318, and maybe even more maybes, just drop down to the 15-minute and have a look to see what's going to happen. You can see there's another little level there, or any one of these tails could offer the rejection you're looking for. But bear in mind that this trend line here is breaking at the moment, so I think could be a flag for a move to the upside as well. So I think I'm going to leave this one alone until it resolves itself one way or another. At the moment, it could be sort of a strong bull trend, pull back in the flag for a continuation up. And if you look at where we are on the 8th hour, that does make sense in relation to the moving averages. But then again, if you look at the strong move down on Friday, I'd be expecting a rejection here for a continuation today. So it's 50-50 call. So I think I'll just sit on the side for this one. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.